Good morning guys, and welcome to today's video where I'm starting to look at probability. So today's video is going to be some sort of introduction to probability, and we're going to look at two examples which are a set of questions for what probability is and how to work out probability. Right guys, this video was recorded on the Wednesday the 18th, Wednesday 17th of March. Not 18th, sorry, it should be 17th, not 18th, sorry about that. Should be 17th of March, guys. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at probability. Okay, so looking at Key Stage 3 Math and GCSE 9 to 1, both higher tier and foundation for all exam boards for AQA, EdExcel, OCR, WJEC, IGC and CIE exams. Okay, so anyone sitting exams in the UK. And also anyone doing exams abroad as well, it might be appropriate. Okay, right guys, at the end, if you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel, please drop a video a like, and also please press the bell icon so you don't miss out on further videos. Okay, so please guys, subscribe actually, because my target is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month if possible. Okay, so yeah, we've currently got about 500 subscribers. Okay, so my target is to try and get to 1,000 by the end of this month or the 1st of April at the latest. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, guys. Right guys, so question number 1, a coin is flipped here. Okay, so a coin is flipped here. We've got heads and tails. What's the probability of getting the heads? Now, so we've got two outcomes. To work out the probability here, it's the number of times the event occurs divided by the total number of total possible outcomes. So it's going to be probability of heads is going to be 1 out of 2 because heads appears once out of 2 possibilities. The probability of tails is going to be a half as well because it appears once. Now probability, the rule is quite simple actually. So the probability must always add up to 1. So that's the key component, guys. Okay, and there are a few, so that's the key factor. So probability must always add up to 1. Okay, so that's the key part, guys. The other part is, okay, is if I'm trying to work out probability of heads and tails, the answer is going to be 0 because the coin can't land on heads and tails. It has to land on either. Okay. And then the probability of heads or tails, so it can be either, is going to be 1 because it has to be either that or that. So probability is going to be 1. Okay, so I hope that actually made sense so far, guys. If you're not sure, then obviously comment below, and I'll try my best to clear up any queries or misconceptions. Okay, right, guys. Next one here. So it says a fair six-sided die is what it is. So in maths, so dice is the plural of die. So die is obviously like one dice, okay, essentially. And then dice, so 2 or more dice is what I call plural actually. So yeah, it is a die, we say. What's the probability of getting a 5? Well, for a six-sided dice, guys, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we've got 6. Okay, so we got 6 possible outcomes. So the answer should be 1 out of 6, sorry, and not 1 out of 5. I've made a mistake there. Okay, so let's just rectify that. Okay. 17th. Okay. Right, next one, guys. What's the probability of getting an even number? Well, so we got 2, 4, 6. So we got 3 out of 6, or I can write it as a half, or 0.5, or 50%. Okay. Part C. What's the probability of getting a 7? Well, the number 7 doesn't appear on a six-sided die, so the answer is going to be 0 out of 6, which is going to just be 0. Okay, because so that was put in there as like a little trick, because examiners might say to you, well, we know that obviously 7 can't appear on a 1 to 6-sided dice, so that's why sometimes examiners might throw in this sort of question in the exam. Okay, and my last point, guys, is that probability can be expressed as a fraction, percentage, or a decimal. Okay, so obviously these fractions will all have decimal equivalents and also percentage equivalent. So for this one here, a half, I can write it as 0.5 or 50%. Here, obviously, yeah, it's 0.16 reconnection, 0.16, and then obviously 16.6% roughly. And then here, 3/6 is a half, so it's going to be, yeah, 0.5 or 50%. Okay, so fractions, decimal, percentages can be used to answer probability questions. Okay, but it usually depends on the nature of the question for what the answer will obviously require you. But the answer can be expressed as a fraction, percentage, or decimal. Okay, right, guys. So I hope you found this video useful. Actually, please drop a like, please comment, and please subscribe to my channel, and please turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on further videos. And please comment below any questions or queries or any topic requests for the GCSE curriculum for 9 to 1. Okay, so I'm trying to focus on the 9 to 1 curriculum for GCSE level maths. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care, stay safe, and I'm gonna do a video fill out more questions on probability, hopefully tomorrow. And then I'm going to try and look at some trig questions, so how to solve trig equations either on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna wait and see it, depending on when I can upload. But I'm gonna try and get a part 2 video for this tomorrow as well, and then I'm gonna try and do a video on how to solve trig equations. Okay, cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.